Welcome back. Well, if you're looking for the finest PSIM software out there, look no further than Zone Advanced Protection Systems. I'm here with Mel Fraser-Clay, the CEO of the company. Mel, tell us a little about your company.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Well, we're an Australian company. We're a small SME. We're based in Sydney. We're looking for a channel partner here in the States. And we produce a very fine PSIM, physical security information system, or a command and control system that integrates all data feeds, security, CCTV, building management into a single head-end platform, which provides a lot of economy of scale. And we're finding that we're getting a lot of defence and law enforcement coming to us asking for this type of platform. It looks after legacy equipment as well as leading edge equipment, and it unifies everything into a single head end.
Now that answered my next question. This basically will interface with basically any third-party system out there, correct?
Correct. Any third-party system that has got an API or an SDK that we can integrate to, that is state-of-the-art, security related.
And now the really nice thing about this platform is you've got every view in one location, correct?
That is correct. It's a common operating picture.
So if we can look around the back here, we can actually see a little example of how this thing works, correct?
Yeah, please.
So Mel, really, basically what we're looking at here is what someone would see in their basic command control center, correct?
That is correct. And off this, we would then send this to various video walls. We can have up to 10 video walls. So if you've got a serious crisis, then you can have the relevant folk looking at specific windows as required.
And that's kind of what we're looking at in here.
This has been personalised for a particular client, but yes, it can be personalised with as many screens as needed to the client application.
Now there's a lot of information being shown up here, basically. That's basically readily available to just about anybody in this command control center.
Correct, but because it's driven by strong workflows, we can actually allocate what can be viewed by individual command and control center operators so that they can only see certain aspects of what is needed.
Now, obviously you guys have been doing this for quite a while. This is probably not your first show. You've been out there in the industry for quite a while.
Correct. We were here at AUSA last year, which was great because we teased America with what we had. We've been to DSI in London, we've done one in Turkey, one in Rio de Janeiro. And we're now getting to be known across the world with certain aspects of vulnerable security. And we're talking to some both countries, some governments, defence departments, and we know we've got something very special. So we regard ourselves as a software house. We are looking for channel partners because we need the system integrators that will be the people that will physically go on site to do the work. They need to be defence cleared. We've got no issues with that. We're defence cleared for Australia Defence, but we want to be a software house. We've produced a nice software.
Yeah, and basically you can see how much information is readily available, which is going to, in the long run, save time and lives.
Correct, and this is very scalable, so you can have more than 1 million bits of data feed that is going through this in any 24-hour period, and we're agnostic as to the data feed. It could be CCTV, it could be fence, it could be building management devices, it could be anything. It all goes through our platform.